Welcome back to the online class of Al Farooq School, Padaparama. Dear students, today we are going to discuss a new chapter. Chapter 2. Linear equations in one variable. That is the name of our new chapter. Through this chapter, we have to discuss about linear equations in one variable and their solutions. Okay. First of all, what is mean by linear equations? Linear equations means an equations with the power of the variables as 1. That is a linear equation. Consider some examples. Example 1, 2x plus 3. Another one, 5x square plus 8x. Another one, 8x plus 10. Another one, 5x cube plus 8. Last one, 8x plus 2y plus 3. Dears, here you can see 5 algebraic expressions. Among these, check one by one. First one, 2x plus 3. Is it a linear expression? Yes. Why? Here the variable x and its power is 1. So it is a linear expression but not an equation. We can make this an equation by putting an equality sign like this. Now it is a linear equation. Okay. Now consider the second one, 5x square plus 8x. Is it a linear expression? No. Why? Here the power of x is 2. So it is not a linear expression. So we cannot make it as a linear equation. Now consider the third one, 8x plus 10. Is it a linear expression? Yes. Why? Here power of x is 1. So by putting an equality sign, now it is a linear equation. What about the fourth one? Is it a linear expression? No. Why? Here the power of x is 3. So it is not a linear expression. Now the last one, 8x plus 2y plus 3. It is a linear expression. Why? Here power of x and y are 1. But it is not a linear expression in one variable. It contains 2 variables. So it is also not belongs to the category a linear expression in one variable. So dears, through this chapter we are going to focus linear equations in one variable also. Okay. Now dear students, we are moving to the next point, that is solution of a linear equations in one variable. What is meant by solution of an equation? Solution of an equation means to find the value of the variable. That is meant by the solution of a linear equation. We can discuss this point through an example. Consider the first one here. Example 1. 2x plus 3 equal to 15. Okay. It is a linear equation in one variable. We are going to solve this equation. So, in order to find the solution, we have to use a technique known as transposing method. What is the name? Transposing method. That is the name of the method. Transposing means to change the side of the equation. Before that, we have to know about the sides or side names of the equations. So dears, it is a linear equation in one variable, and this is the equality sign. Okay, the left side of the equality sign is known as left hand side, or simply LHS, and the right part of the equality known as RHS. Okay dears, once again I am repeating the LHS and RHS. LHS means left hand side of the equality. RHS means right hand side of the equality. Okay. Now we move to the method transposing. Transposing means to change the side of the equality. When we use the method transposing, some changes are taking place. First change, plus operation becomes minus. Into, that is multiplication, becomes division. That is the change. Once again I am repeating. Addition becomes subtraction, and vice versa. Subtraction becomes addition. Multiplication becomes division. Division becomes multiplication. Now go through an example. 2x plus 3 equal to 15. We have to find the value of x. For that, we have to remove the remaining terms and numbers. First of all, we have to move plus 3 from LHS to RHS. That is the first step. And as you know, plus 3 becomes minus 3 when transposing from LHS to RHS. So I am going to write the step 2x equal to plus 3 moves from LHS to RHS. So there is no plus 3 here in LHS. Now RHS becomes 15 already there. So 15 plus 3 becomes minus 3. That is the first step. Is it clear? So we can write 2x equal to 12. Okay. Now again we are going to use into operation into division. So 2x means 2 into x. Okay. So here x is equal to what? 12 into 2 becomes by 2. So we are moving to the final answer. X is equal to 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. That is all. Is it clear? So here we used a method known as transposing method. Transposing method means to change terms from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. Some changes are taking place, and what are the changes? Addition becomes subtraction, subtraction becomes addition, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication. That is the only change. Okay, let's go through some more examples. Okay, I am going to write one more example. Example 2. Right, 5x minus 3 equal to 22. It is also an algebraic expression or algebraic equation with one variable. Okay, now we are going to solve the equation by using the method of transposing. So tell me, students, what is the first step? First of all, we have to transpose minus 3 from LHS to RHS, and it becomes plus 3. So we can write the step like this: 5x equal to, in RHS already 22 there, and minus 3 becomes plus 3. Okay, so 5x equal to 25. Again we can use into operation as division by transposing. So if 5x is equal to 25, then x is equal to what? 25 divided by 5. So what is the answer? X is equal to 5. Is it clear? Now we are moving to one more example, the last example. Okay, look at the third example, example 3. Consider a question: x by 3 is equal to 12. That is the question. So tell me, dear, what is the first step? We have to keep x only. So first of all, we have to move by 3 from LHS to RHS. So what happened? X equal to, by 3 becomes into 3. So what is the step? 12 into x is equal to 12 into 3. That is, x is equal to 36. That is all. That is the answer. Now is it clear, all students? Okay, so now we are going to wind up the class. Before winding up, I would like to give homeworks. Your homework, exercise 2.1 full. That is the exercise. Okay, that's all from today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.